Do you have an idea to purchase your new shoe? While purchasing shoe online, many of us have a common fear. That is, if shoe size is not fit for me, what can I do? Because of size issue, we miss out lot of collection percent in online. Today I am here to fix this issue with simple tricks. Take a plain paper, scale, pencil and your feet. First place your feet in a plain paper and mark almost top of your feet and make a mark on your heel and connect your two mark with a straight line. Measure the distance between two marks in centimeters. My foot size is 24.5 centimeters. Hold! We have one more step to go. Measure your left leg with same procedure. My left leg size is 24.6 centimeter. Difference between my left leg and right leg feet is 0.1 centimeters. So I have to go for 24.6 centimeters size footwears. Finally, I got my foot size in centimeters. You can ask, how can I use this measurement to purchase my shoe? First, get into a website where you are going to purchase. Select the product and get into the product page. There you can able to see size chart option. Click on that, you can see the corresponding shoe sizes with respect to centimeters. It worked for 95% of online shoe buyers. Now you can explore more footwear using this method. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe and support us.